People say curiosity kills the cat, but in my case, curiosity makes me try. Hello Loyalty, welcome to an episode of me attempting to make a bouquet of eternal roses. The process for making these eternal or forever roses is simple. You basically need to wrap your ribbon around the card for as many times as you prefer, and voila, you have every material you need to make this bouquet. So in case you're wondering how these ribbons form petals, this is how. This is exactly how you fold it to get your petals, as many as you would prefer. Personally, I used about 20 petals for each rose because my ribbons were not bold ribbons, they were just regular medium-sized ribbons. You might also be wondering how these petals form the rose, and that's equally simple. You just need to grab your skewer, put it within the petal, and then fold it inwardly, making sure that the front side is facing the inside, and repeat the same process. Now you can actually line up all the petals and hold them all together with a glue, and then simply wrap it around your skewer. But I didn't take that process, though it seems like it would be easier, but I didn't take that process because of the type of glue I had with me. So I opted for the option of attaching the petals one after the other, and they still give the same desired results. I repeated the same process and made as many roses as I could. Then I went ahead to add each of them to the base I had made earlier on. I was not able to make as many as I desired because I was going for 100 roses, but I only ended up making 50. That was why I had to move it to a smaller base. I had to make a smaller base for it. For wrapping it, I only used 4 bouquet wraps, folded 3 of it in this shape and held it down at the base of the bouquet, and then the 4th one I used it to wrap the base of the bouquet itself and then held it down with a ribbon. Now this bouquet was something I definitely enjoyed making. I can't tell if it's time consuming or not because I didn't do it in a stretch. I did this bouquet for almost a month because I would come back. I barely had time, so I would come back in the night, make 1 or 2 roses, go to bed. It continued like that for almost a month, but in the end I loved the outcome. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this bouquet. See you in my next one. Bye.